give. Ang alam ko, 11.3 sa phone. Dito sa camera, 11.5. So, ayan. Happy Saturday! Ayan, nandito pa rin tayo sa River Plaza after ng Carlton game yesterday. And, nag-get ready tayo. Mag-walking kami ni Marky. So, naglalagay na ako ng aking sunblock. I'm using the Brilliant Skin Sunscreen Gel. Sunscreen Gel Cream. So, matagal ko na itong gamit. Last year pa. Ay, makita nyo yung chan ko. Diyan lang kayo, ah. Ayan. Dapat yung face lang nakikita. Pwede natin yung chan. So, yan. Magja-jacket ako kasi mainit na. Ano ba yan? Ba't ka nag-ano? Ayan. Tapos nagpa-order ako kay Amanda. Bigay niya daw as a Mother's Day gift. Second apply ko na to kasi mainit ang panahon. So dati ang ginagawa ko, ito first tapos yung tinted. Ayan. Sunscreen lang yan. Di ako di ako nagpa-powder or anything. Never. So, after ng aking mga skincare, yan. Sunscreen lang. Pero ang nilagay ko ngayon, yan lang. Ito. Kasi magsha-shower na naman mamaya. So, sayang kung maglalagay tayo niyan. Yan lang, pang-protect lang sa sun. So, see ya. Hindi ko na kayo dadalhin kasi mag-enjoy lang kami ni Mister. Dalhin ko yung phone ko. Tapos, ang plano namin mamaya is manood ng Michael Jackson show na naghalo. Sobrang maputi ba? Naghihintay na si Marky. Ready na yun. We're going for running. May ito naman pasan. Si Amanda tulog pa. Bye! Hey, nandito na kami sa labas. So, dyan tayo nakastay sa River Plaza. Mahal! Marky mo! Look at the view! What's that? I think so. So, nandito na tayo sa baba ng, what do you call this one? The highway?
That's the highway.
So, we are already in this side. And our accommodation is where? Just that. There. Marky said he used to climb this
With
rock.
Gav.
Oh,
Gav
yeah. We're here.
Yeah.
Kangaroo Point. Oh, it's so beautiful. Ganda ng araw ngayon. You loving it?
Oh, hello.
Marky loves walking. Loves walking in the middle of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Middle of the day, my love. Pinahiram ko sa kanya yung sombrero ko. The view. So, tignan nyo yung mga nag-rock climbing. Wow! I know! that's challenging.
It is a lot. Gives you fear.
So that's the River Plaza. And we are already here.
Starting route to Story Bridge. In 1980.
So para makapunta sa Story Bridge, kailangan nating umalis. Makyat sa kabilang. We.
Continue on Pixley Street.
Ayan. Sabi ni Mahal, never pa daw niya na-experience maglakad sa may Story Bridge. Really?
Really?
Ay, ay, ay. That's the Story Bridge.
So, what is your story for the day?
Story of the day.
Street.
Woo! Lapit na natin. It's our first time walking in the Story Bridge.
Ever.
Aba!
Hey, right here, my alcohol.
Dito na tayo! Story Bridge! Famous Story Bridge dito sa Brisbane. Tingnan nyo yung party boat. Oh. That's our view. One more. Ay! Malapit na kaming matapos maglakad dito sa Story Bridge. Uy! Van! Okay! Shadows, we are there before. Ayan siya. Love! How was your Story Bridge experience?
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Love it. Then, maglakad na tayo papunta sa Botanical Garden.
Let's walk under it.
Ha?
Have a look under it.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay. What's in there?
You'll find out.
Ooh, the restaurants. So, nandito tayo sa ilalim na ng Bridge Shadows. Mga kainan dito sa baba kanina. Ang laki ng doggy, nakangiti siya sa amin kanina. Yun na yung taas ng bridge. Oh, wow, baby, look at that. So, pumasok. Wow, this. We are in the other side na. Yung nakikita nyo kanina, nandito na kami. Baka mawalan na yung storage natin. So, bye-bye. Love it. Loving it. It's the bridge. Ang liwanag naman. Diyan kami kinasal ni Marky. I mean, that's the reception. Saan kayo? Ayan, nag-work si daddy mo. Dito lang sa, malapit sa may motorway. Tama si daddy mo?
Hindi ko kayo kita.
Ito girl, tumingin ka dito sa malapit sa highway.
Malapit sa highway.
Ay, di mo kami kita. Girl, diba itong bridge, tumingin ka sa may daanan ng mga sasakyan.
Oh, tumitingin ako doon.
Ito kami o nagwe-wave sa'yo. Oh.
Ang layo nyo naman, grabe, hindi kayo kita. Yes, tignan nyo sila, mami, oh. Grabe. Layo nang nararating ng camera ko, ah. Time check. 1:16 and we're back here in the
6.8
accommodation.
kilometres. The mule was around 7 kilometres. There's going to be bigger walks than that, my whole dog.
So we walk all over the
How many steps did you do?
Did it? Oh, 10,000. 10,579 sa'yo? 10,680. Konti lang. Bakit? Ang talagang pahabak mo. Ay, it's so good maglakad. My
Where's my hot
gosh.
girl? Yes.
Ay, magla-lunch kami. Siya. Sarap maglakad. Ang kaganda ng mga view. Kita nyo.
And
Nakita nyo na.
Marcus.
After nito. Ayan, prep tayo mag-lunch. Are you ready?
Yeah. Spawn ready. I'm always waiting on you two.
I'm ready. I'm waiting for you to.
Stand up then. Come on, encourage your mum to get the food out of you.
Hey, bilis.
Ito ba? Or ito?
Come on.
Let's do this.
Come on.
Bilis kami.
Come on. Get your mum.
Mamadali na itong dalawa. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, hello! Good morning! Good afternoon!
Oh, come on.
I'm with my pretty baby.
Ako lang naman yung baby mo.
There's no boat.
Yeah, we watched that.
Yeah, you sure have.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ellie.
yeah,
Ellie's
yeah.
pig lady. Ella's pig lady.
Ella?
Bakit naka... Ay, ako ng vlog.
Yeah.
Outfit check. Kita mo ako. Arte.
Marurod ni daddy mo. Sorry, you're with us, baby. Where is it?
To the right, to the right, to the right. Where it says River Key.
Magsi-seafood kami.
What's the pronunciation of
Key.
key?
In Sydney?
Yeah.
Key? What's the name, love? Key.
Key to success.
Rocks. To the fish burger.
So we are here in River Key.
Oh, look at the snake!
Amanda will have steak again. So we are here in River Key Fish. Pagbungad ng menu sa akin, ito nakita ko. Ay girl, hindi na i-charge to.
Has mocktail.
Look at that. Lychee martini straight away. I ordered the harbor fish burger.
And every
Amanda got 300 grams filet. That's Amanda's drink. That's the naked life spritz. So what's in there? Naked Life passion fruit, lime, sugar mint.
So Amanda, when
Got lychee martini and then of course Daddy Marky got espresso martini, his favorite. So that's the calamari of Daddy Marky and that's our oyster. Yum yum yum. Super. Another room. Another room. Okay. Okay. That's my fish burger with double patty.
My goodness
Amanda got
gracious.
steak. And Daddy Marky's fish buttered, beer buttered. Is it?
Oh my gosh, my
Yum! Kain tayo.
Take a photo.
Kain tayo.
Ooh.
Oh, I have chips, You wanna share? Oh, you have chips, my love.
Did you want me to order your virgin mojito?
Kung naka-video ka ako din.
Oh, shoot, I need.
Ay, ang pangit.
What about you?
I don't need it.
Oh. Do you?
Yeah. Daddy Mark is good. First bite. Thank you. That's one burger. Thank you.
Oh, no, all good. And would I be able to order virgin mojito?
Virgin mojito? That's right.
Thank you. Thank you. Good?
Sorry.
No, that's yours.
Titignan niya talaga. Bakit?
Wowzers.
Sarap?
Yum.
Maybe would you like
Which
to
one's
try?
better, last night or today?
It's a tie.
It's a tie.
Open.
Oh, cheers, Mahako.
Hindi naman ako gawan. Lakas. Enjoyin lang namin kumain. Gusto natin ang ating fish burger and I ordered mango sunrise. That's Amanda's food and Daddy Marky's still ongoing.
The next. Okay.
What? What's the verdict?
Masarap. Okay, tapos na. Oh. Oh.
Ang tagal naman. Ba't gusto mo?
Sarap. You get one.
I told you to get one earlier.
Yummy girl. Give it tayo.
I don't like it.
Don't like it.
Ano yung mga
Oh, add vodka to that.
Ha?
Have that with vodka. Yum.
Nagustuhan ni Amanda.
Is it better than that one?
Yeah, I will trust you next time then.
Yeah.
So we're done. Are you done?
I'm gonna have a siesta margarita.
Margarita. Thank you, mahal. Thank you, my love. Thanks for the good food.
We live life to the fullest.
Correct.
Work hard, play hard. That's
How was your food? Good. Nag-burp pa bago good eh.
there you go. How was your food?
That's the answer. Good. Ang bilis niya.
Want a high one?
I'm gonna drive it. Have we tried it? So after ng lunch natin, maglakad-lakad tayo dito sa may market. Bago what?
Magpapatunaw ng
Mag-video. Amanda said the market is not ano yung nagtatawag?
it's not
Ano, convincing?
the market is like kind
What's that?
of far. Oh, let's get a hot chocolate.
Really?
Yeah.
O talaga, girl?
Nakawin ko yan. CCTV.
Itong mga to, oh. Ano yan? Kano? May slit? Nandito kami sa favorite shop daw ni Kuya Jacko.
Perfect.
I wanna get this one. It's luck, girl. Ay, push mo, yeah. Amanda will get one.
Ulit.
Baka mahulog, ah. Cute. What else?
Don't. Oh, almost. There. Okay. Almost.
You want all... Hey! Gagi! There's camera!
Ready? Here we go. Don't you want me?
How about the sardines?
Beans.
The bears.
She's in heaven.
Don't you want me, baby? They have jelly belly. Chocolate.
Chocolate peanuts. Oh.
Four?
Oh. Walking lang tayo papunta sa accommodation. So, si Daddy Marky ay magsi-CR lang. Enjoy daw ni Ate Amanda ang anyang steak.
Ate, bakit may kapatid na ba ako?
Miso sushi iliitan.
Ili?
Ganda ng niya. Look at the view. And that's where the accommodation is.
Where can we see dolphins?
Tangalooma.
Like,
When are we gonna do that,
close
love?
to them?
Feed them.
Oh.
When are we gonna do that?
I'll show you.
Naayusan ako ni Amanda. Hindi masyado makapal.
May tusok effect ba itong brush ko?
Lagi mong linisin ang mga brush mo, baka ka naman nagkaka-blemish kasi ganyan. Yung brush yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Nilinisan ba?
Oo. Mga once a month.
Agagi.
Tak lang twice ko palang nilinis ever since pinili ko.
Twice?
Hindi naman kasi dapat like every week yun to nililinis eh.
Linisan na ta.
Tingin. Wait lang kasi. Pamunat mo. Tingin ka nga dito.
Ganda.
Parang ikakasal ka rin.
Ah?
Yun na. Parang hindi na kami.
Girl.
Bakit kasi ng ilaw dito mo tayo? Diyan. Diyan. Oh, diba ang ganda oh? Ikaw ba yan?
Alis na tayo. Bagat na si Daddy Mark.
Guys, minake-upan ko si mama. Halata ba?
Pareho kami ng makeup.
Yeah. Ay!
We are on the way sa Q-Pack. Who's excited?
Me.
Manonood kami ng Michael Jackson play. We got this souvenir. We're gonna get our food, popcorn. So we got popcorn. Nag-isa kaming popcorn.
Cheers.
And we got slushy cheese. Nice, Daddy. Nakatapos lang. Time check 10:14. Yeah, it's finished. It's finished. It's so good. Oh. Hello. Ayan, tapos na ang ating Michael Jackson. Nabubulol ako. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson show. How was it? How was it?
Oh, unbelievable.
Wow, sulit na sulit ang 285 na tumatalinting na 285. Nung binayaran ni Marky yun,
Was
sabi ni
it worth
Amanda.
it?
Yung total ng 3, sabi ni Amanda. Sahod ko na yun ng 2 linggo. You love it?
Mm-hmm.
Lamig. What's the degree?
Best dancing.
I know.
I've ever seen.
Ang bilis niya.
I know, right? Ano yun?
Like I had geese so many times.
Me too. But
Like,
I
wanna stand up and dance, but nah, they're watching the back, so.
ang tawag doon, nagulat.
I was shocked.
Dun sa may thriller, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, when the guy behind MJ. Oh,
Like the
look at
thriller one. I was like,
Ayan, pauwi na tayo sa ating
the
apartment.
jump scare.
We're gonna order what? $42 lang. Mahal ko nanan.
Bakit? Continue as guest.
Shadows, nag-order kami ng triple chocolate crepe. Sabi naman na nakakatapos siya.
It's so crazy.
Crazy.
Alam mo, sasama ako.
Ay, na-miss ko. Puro promote yan na alak.
Ako din.
Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Tapos nagtataka ako kung bakit tumataba yung chicken. Nasa ilalim kasi yung mga ano, nandito banda. Mga tray. Kailangan siguro yung brombos ngayon. Ito ang AFR tsaka ano. So, sa GABA din yan. Thankful. So, kasi pa square pala, no? Pa square pala ay pa rectangle. Nung bawal pala ng chismis. Ha? Tapos na natin yung drinks natin, wala pa. So, kumuha si Amanda na, ano yan? Hot chocolate na. Hot chocolate lang. Yeah. And then mine is the Italian. So, we're gonna try. Sarap yun. Ganda naman yan. Sarap. Sarap. Perfect for the weather. Try mo yung akin. Sarap ng init niya. Kakaiba na. Yummy. Lagay mo ulit yung bag mo doon. Siyempre sa'yo. Victoria. Sarap din. Sarap. 2 years ago na na-try natin yun. Ano kailangan ng kape? Hot chocolate. Sa Monday? Bumili pa ako tayo ng cookies doon. No. Cookies. Kalamutan ko naman. Grabe, pag kinain mo yung chocolate, then mawawala na ito ng lasa. Hindi nga parang din sila sweet dalawa. Ano ano ako, nilagyan ng sugar. Kasi pag
Extra sugar pa nga ako eh. Pero nalasan yung sweetness nito dahil dyan. Kapag sanang work, ito yung nakakapag-meals. Ako,
yung sabi ko sa'yo, ito ay maganda.
yum. Hindi na ubus na. Takaw natin.
Yung hindi nalilimitahan yung ano mo.
Yeah, kasi sa work feeling ko, iba ang itsura ko dun. Pero hindi ako yun. Like, gusto ko naman yung parang presentable ako. Presentable ako tingnan. Alam mo yun, yung hindi like pag titignan ka nila. Sa ice cream shop siya nag-work, gano'n. Gusto ko naman yung kapag titignan ako, yung stylish ako, gano'n, parang nakaporma ako, gano'n.
Kasi what dapat na bumibili tayo ng ulit.
Yeah, yun natin. Like, gusto ko naman yung may gana ako mag-get ready sa araw-araw kasi, syempre, you know,
Ay, parang bumabangon lang tayo para makita ng umbrella, hindi mo na-enjoy.
tinatamad pa. Minsan nga, kunwari, habang nagsuswell ako ng alcohol, no, hanggang ganito na lang pa yung work ko. Ano, bago pa lang naman ako, pero no, pakiisip ko gusto ko naman
Ito ba talaga yung work na para sa akin? 3 years ko na dun, ganun pa rin yung
1 month pa lang ako, ah.
Sa'yo na yan, girl.
Pero talaga tayo, pero na
Okay, sa'yo na yan. Kailangan mo yan. Advance ano ka? 2 years celebration niya man dito sa Australia.
ang bilis. Ang bilis na, feeling ko hindi pa ako 2 years nandito.
Parang last year lang. Ubus na natin, shadows. Takaw niya man ta. Ano mo yung photo, i-cheers natin para pakita mo.